Juicy stuff is happening, boys. Did y'all see the news today? Y'all see that big mansion getting raided over on Clarksville Pike? I know you did. So I'm sitting here looking at this shit, right? I'm like, weird. I look in the comments, and I see a bunch of people saying, the property belongs to someone named Barbara Sutton. So I do what any redneck would do, and I got on Onyx Hunt, and I look at the property. It does belong to a Barbara Sutton. I've heard somebody say that name before, a company in Nashville. I've heard them say the name Barbara Sutton a couple times. And I'm looking at the house, and I'm like, why does that house look so familiar? I come from a background of, my whole family's painters and shit. So if you're a painter around here, you know, you're a kid, you're riding around with your parents, and your grandpa, and they're pointing out famous people's houses, right? And I'm looking at this house, and I'm like, okay, I've heard this name Barbara Sutton from a certain business downtown that works with musicians. And this house looks familiar. You know who used to own the house? Well, apparently before it was Barbara Sutton's house, it was John Rich's house. Well, isn't that interesting? And I'll saddle up my horse and I'll ride into the city. Nobody listens to that shit. John Rich, I know you're watching this right now. I know you are, you Woody doll. I've had 3 male musicians out of Nashville come to me and be like, bro, John Rich was talking mad shit about you, bro. John Rich hates you. John Rich, why don't you like me, John Rich? I'm curious. I know for a fact you don't like me. I'm just curious why. Is it because I've just been doing investigating? Is that why, you little Woody doll? And I saddle up my horse. You would choose to ride a cowboy instead of a horse, wouldn't you? And I mean, let's just state the obvious. Cheatham County, all y'all watching this? We all watched him come to Cheatham County and just act like he's been here his whole life. This made a music video talking about there's a war in Cheatham County, Tennessee. Yet every Cheatham County citizen that I've known my entire 35 years on earth living here, when I show them this, they all go, what the is he talking about? What are you talking about? John Rich just strolls in here on a cowboy, not a horse, a cowboy, into Cheatham County, acting like he's been here forever. Talking about land and people stealing land, even tricks an old lady in the beginning of it to go and, you think you own something, you don't own nothing. First off, that's kind of up, y'all tricking that old lady to say that. Second off, when you say you think you own something and you don't own nothing, that really just sounds like fraudulent property stuff. Like people stealing or fraudulently getting people to lose their properties. That's what that sounds like, John Rich. Which is kind of crazy, because that was a while ago. And today on the Nashville News, a property that used to belong to you is apparently getting raided by the FBI. So I heard you bought some property around here, John Rich. Tomorrow I'm going to go into town on a horse, not a cowboy, and I'm going to see if I can find out what realty company you're working with. I would really love to know. I think Cheatham County would like to know.
That's Kalani on the beat, mother. All these dudes doing, we just doing living. Just doing living. You wanna go fast? You wanna go fast? Let's go! Muskrat. Look at this old world bridge. Check it out. Ain't that cool? Oh, don't want to. Hold on. Look at that. Ain't that cool? Shoo!